Namaskaram, my name is Ramesh Natarajan and you have reached GRDIS Gurukul. Today we are going to share with you the Dasha Mudras or 10 Mudras of Shiva on the occasion of Shivaratri. The Mudra display will be done by Srimati Gayatri Ramesh. The source of the shloka for the Dasha Mudras is as follows. काममुद्रा पराख्याता शिवस्य दशमुद्रिका लिङ्गयोनित्रिशूलाक्षमालेष्टाभिर्मृगाह्वया खड्वाङ्गचकपालाख्या डमरुः शिवतोषिका महादेवप्रियाणाञ्च कथ्यन्ते लक्षणान्यय. First mudra, Linga Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Linga Mudram Pradarshya. Second mudra, Yoni Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Yoni Mudram Pradarshya. Third mudra, Trishula Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Trishula Mudram Pradarshya. Fourth mudra, Akshamala Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Akshamala Mudram Pradarshya. Fifth mudra, Varamudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Varamudram Pradarshya. Sixth mudra, Abhaya Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Abhaya Mudram Pradarshya. Seventh mudra, Mrigi Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Mrigi Mudram Pradarshya. Eighth mudra, Khatvanga Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Khatvanga Mudram Pradarshya. Ninth mudra, Kapaliki Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Kapaliki Mudram Pradarshya. 10th mudra, Damaruka Mudra. Om Hrim Haum Namah Shivaya Damaruka Mudram Pradarshya. Namaskaram. That concludes our Dashamudras of Shiva. We wish everyone a very wonderful Shivaratri. Har Har Mahadev.